Hi, this is Mark Roberts, and today Stu has asked me how I get into Pungu Mayurasana. So it's actually harder than it looks. I mean, it's easier than it looks. So we need to keep the belly relaxed, get the elbow right in just above the pubic bone to the side of the navel. Use your fingertips, stabilize through the shoulder. Also make sure you engage the glutes and your legs so you really feel the whole body in a line there, and also keep the breath relaxed and keep the eyes steady. So I'll show you again. So turn the hand out about 45 degrees, get the elbow in the right position with belly soft, lean into it, lift the feet, use the glutes, activate the legs, and then keep the eyes steady and keep the breath relaxed. And that's how we do it.